Hey, Dan Passarelli here. I am out of the office and not in front of my trading computer. And you know what that means? That means that I needed to do a little bit of planning before leaving the office and not being in front of my trading computer. If you're on vacation, you're away for a week or even a day or a month, doesn't matter. But we always have to prepare ourselves and our trading account and our trades for that time away. So here's what I do. If I have any trades that require very active management, like straddles or something like that, credit spreads with a short amount of time till expiration, especially if I'm going to be away during expiration, I will take those trades off early. And maybe that means taking a small loss or taking a smaller profit than I otherwise would have. But it is so much better than coming back from vacation and realizing, oh no, what happened? That being said, there are some trades that I'm okay holding. Like, for example, longer term investment option trades like covered calls and cash secured puts. And when I have those on, what I'll do is I will try and carve out 10 minutes a day through my trip. And I like to trade in front of my computer, and I'll do that if I can. If not, I'll do it on my phone and just do my adjustments, not overthink anything, not look for new trades to put on. But I know with covered calls, if this happens, I do this. If that happens, I do this. And just simply take care of it and go back and not have to worry about it. All this planning and not trading while you're on vacation, while you're away, reduces stress and tends to lead to better results in the long run because you're not worried about it and you're not missing anything. I hope that helps. In fact, I know that helps. This is Dan Passarelli. Trade smart.